Hey everybody, what is up? Have you ever wanted to just, I don't know, show your face to somebody else that lives in another place in real time? Well, you use a webcam for that. So in today's episode, we're gonna be reviewing this sweet webcam. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and we're going to be checking out the eMeet C990 webcam. This is a smart cam. Whoa! But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, what we do is we unbox the product and we go over the details with you guys and test the product out. So let's get to it and let's dive into the details. Brad!
This is the eMeet Smart Cam C990. We're gonna get it out of the box and let you guys know what we think. First things first, the plastic's got to come off. I know you guys love it when we get the plastic off. That soothingness of new product. The top will come straight off once the plastic is taken off. Then right on top we have a little tab you can pull open. Inside of the box we have a user manual and a USB to USB-C cable right on the top. Then we have the webcam underneath, and wow, this thing is sweet. It even has a camera cover. That is pretty awesome. The bottom rotates out, gives you some turns. This is where it connects to the top of a monitor. You even have a tripod mount that you can put it on. And on the back is the USB-C port. I really like that cover. That's going to be great for privacy, as well as protecting your lens. That right there is everything you get out of the box. Should be everything we need to get this bad boy started. So let's go give it a shot.
The eMeet C990 is a 60 FPS 1080p HD webcam. With the 1080p Full HD resolution and fast 60 FPS, eMeet C990 streaming camera captures everything in stunning detail. Compared with a 30 FPS laptop webcam for streaming, 60 FPS web camera can get a smoother video experience. If you're a heavy user of online networking, such as live broadcasting, online classes, online conferences, working from home, then the eMeet C990 is a very good choice for you. It's an all-in-one streaming webcam. It's got plus 3-watt speakers, it's got plus 4 noise reduction mics. The eMeet C990 1080p webcam with microphone and speaker includes 4 mics with noise reduction technology. It can effectively suppress echo so you can enjoy a high quality voice call effect. Add to that its powerful 3-watt speaker and you get crystal clear calls and reject sound delay. You don't need to buy other microphones and speakers. The echo cancellation technology and low power consumption that comes with the eMeet C990 webcam is amazing. It comes included with a microphone for desktop built-in microphone array algorithm. It can eliminate the background noise, effectively suppressing echo so you can enjoy a high quality voice call effect.
Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Testing 1 2, checking 1 2. Checking 1 2, checking 1 2, check 1.
At the same time, the webcam with the microphone also has the characteristics of low power consumption, 60-degree and 96-degree wide angle webcam adjustment and perimeter adjustment. By downloading the eMeet Link software, you can choose the right angle for you. There is no longer the trouble of wide angle, too wide or too narrow. Edit and customize your videos with the eMeet Link. You can adjust your footage for the perfect take. Through parameter adjustment, the computer webcam 1080p can be used in any light. Strong compatibility and webcam cover and plug and play technology. Older or newer, the C990 PC camera webcam are compatible with most systems and software. This includes Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, and 10, and Mac 10.4.3. eMeet takes your privacy and security seriously. That's why they include a cover to protect your gaming webcam experience from unwanted connections. At the same time, the PC webcam is plug and play, which eliminates some difficult operations. The eMeet C990 has it all. This thing is great, and for a great price. It's a smart cam. It has smart technology in it. You should get with the future, and now you can, thanks to Good Tech Cheap. We hope we solved that problem for you, right? Yeah. Well, everybody, we want to give a huge shout out to eMeet for sponsoring this video and sending us this product to share with you guys. Don't forget to check the description where it's available to see if you can't get a sweet discount code and get more information on this product. And wherever you're able to comment, and wherever you're able to follow. And if you can subscribe, then please subscribe. And if you see a bell, click it for notifications. But guys, that's been the episode. Again, I've been Matthew and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next review. Later.